Welcome to the weekly videocast of Oriental Pacific Futures and delivered to you by Dawong, one of your favorite market opinion leaders based in busamarketplace.com. Alright, on the FCPO December active month last week, we had seen a very big drawdown on a correction, and the December prices started at 2217 on last Friday, and that's 2,217 ringgit per ton in the CPO prices. As you can see here, the market has come down on consecutive 4 days and almost reaching on the EMA 200 averaging line on the day chart, and most likely this will form as a very strong support in the coming week. Alright, and the market has also covered this gap which was previously formed on the day 23rd of September up to the 25th September. Alright, this week alone we're expecting the market to be supported probably slightly below 2,200, alright, going down to this level of perhaps 2170 to 2180 on the downside, and market has got a lot of potential to stage a rebound, especially after the midweek. Alright, the reason is very simple. As you can see, the market moved down last Friday. We have a surging volume, alright, on here, surging volume, but actually on the open interest we have seen a tremendous decline, and that actually means that a lot of short position has been covered and the market is almost neutral now. Alright, on the weekly chart itself, we can't see much here, but of course on the bottom to the top here, 50% correction, if potentially reached, it will be at 2162. Alright, so 2162 could be a potential target to be reached, and of course also 2175 to 2180 as we can see on the daily chart earlier. Alright, taking a look at the 60-minute chart here, okay, which is the hourly chart. Hourly chart shows that last week the market has been supported here as it tried many times at 2217 along this line. Alright, on this 60-minute chart alone, we can see that the market has some little bit of congestion here previously, and that could potentially become a support for this week, which is 2169 or 2170. Observe on the y-axis reading here as I leave the horizontal line here, which is 2169 or 2170. Alright, so what we are going to look for FCPO prices for this week is the early week of final correction down to 2170 potentially on the downside, and after the midweek it may actually bounce up, okay, and do a quick pull-up retracement with a potential top side which is here, alright, at 2280 to 2290. Alright, so this week we are looking at a range on FCPO prices basically from 2170 to 2280, about 100 ticks range, and early part of the week it could be drawing down, and after midweek rebounding to the top side. Alright, if you've got any interest to open new account, please call Ryan Chua at Oriental Pacific Futures at this number 603-2181-8848, and don't forget to code Dawong in order to get a low commission scheme for new starters, which is below the board rate. Alright, once again, this is Dawong here, one of your favorite market opinion leaders, delivering to you on the weekly outlook of FCPO prices covering on the 12th October up to the 16th October in the year of 2015. And do come back next week and we shall give you more update. Thank you.